Hello fellow traders, it's Rafał Zuchowicz and welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about a very important detail about the scalping strategy that I've been teaching you for past few weeks. It might sound like a small thing, but trust me, if you don't do it right, the whole strategy simply won't work. So let's get into it. You probably know, if you are a forex trader, that there is a bid and ask price. The bid price is the one that we are selling at, and the ask price is the one that we are buying at. So the red one in the left corner, that would be the bid, and the green one would be the ask price. They are visible, or they can be visible on the chart if we right click, personalized chart view, trading, and now we have a bid and ask price. Let's mark them. So the ask price will be the buying one. Let's mark it actually green, and then the bid price, let's mark it red. So now we have these two prices. You can see these two lines. You can see on the right hand side as well, and this gap between them is called spread. And now, how is it important? Let's actually have a look as well at, if we go to the left corner, plus, and we can see that there is a spread 0.3. Okay, so that's the gap between these two. By the way, I have some sell limit order set at this point, which has been just triggered. So don't mind that. This is just my personal trade here. And going back to the topic. So this is the difference. And now we need to pay attention how we are trading with our scalping strategy. Because if we are selling, these prices, they don't matter. It doesn't matter. But if we are buying, there is a massive difference how you set your trade, because this red line here, the bid price, is the one that is drawing our candle, and the green one is the one that we are buying for. And now we need to remember that when we are using our strategy, so for example, we want to buy above these highs. So we know that there was some resistance here, and if the price will cross this line, we want to buy. But we need to remember that we are not buying at the red line, but at the green line. So if I set my trades, so that would be my buy stop. Okay, buy stop at this point, and I will move it exactly to this line. If I set it here and this price will come to this area, what will happen when my trade will be triggered? It will be triggered with this green line, which is not the line that is drawing the candle, but is the line that is up front of this candle. So that means that the candle will be still here. It will be not higher than it was before, but my buy stop order will be already triggered. So the condition of the trade haven't been met yet, because the condition is that we need to get above these previous levels. So that means our red line needs to get above. So when our red line is here, our green line will be this 30 pips above. So when I'm buying, I need to set my buy stop order 35, let's say. In this scenario, I'm trading gold right now. It has to be 35. So in this way, this green line will be at this point. So this is our buying thing. and my red line, which is drawing the candle, will be above these candles, which is a signal for me to buy. I hope I made myself clear. It might be a little bit confusing, but it's very important because if you set it opposite, I mean, if you set it at this level, just one pip above, your trade will be triggered too early. Okay, and now what's with the sell? The sell is easy because I'm selling at the red line. So that means I'm selling at the line that is drawing the candle, and I want the candle to be below, and the red line is drawing the candle. So if the red line goes below, that means the candle is below because that's the drawing line, and I'm fine. So I'm completely fine. I can sell it here, so there is no problem with the sell. So the sell, I'm just setting like I did here. So this is my sell stop. Let's have a look. That's the white candle in the left corner. You can see that the low was 83.75. And where is my trade here? 83.74. It's one pip below. Once we get one pip below, I'm already fine. I want to be selling gold. So that's the difference, guys. When you are trading, you need to always check your spread. So the best way to do that, you go to this information instruction, then press this little plus, and you will have spread, and it tells you 0.3136 is changing spread. So it's best to just choose the highest value that you see that is changing. So when you observe for a while, for like 1 minute, you see that 37 was the highest. So you just add this 0.37 to the height of the candle. So if I wanted to sell at this, that was the highest candle, and the high here was 92.29. So I need to add to this dot 29 this dot 37, which will give me dot 66. So I need my order, buy stop order is actually here, 62, 66. That should be 66 now, yeah. Perfect, 67, can be 67. So this is my buy order. It's above this previous candles. So practice that, seriously practice. Go to your chart right now, have a look how it is. Where would you like to place the buy orders? With the sell orders, no problems, but with the buy order, this is a very, very important detail that I want you to pay attention to, because otherwise the whole strategy will be giving you losses. So check with your broker. Every broker has different spread. It's very good to have a broker with the fixed spread, so it's always the same. And you might be curious what's going on my chart. Why am I selling here if there is no signal yet to our strategy? This is something new that I'm making a video on. So stay tuned, and I will show you why I have placed this trade at this point and how can you act one step before the market. So instead of waiting until the market actually decides to continue the movement, you are using the pullback and how to calculate where would be the end of the pullback. So according to my calculation, that should be end of the pullback, and there is a high possibility that we will be falling from now on. Let's see if I'm right or wrong, because you cannot be always right. If you like this video, watch one of these videos that I will leave on the left hand side. I bet you will like them as well. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, and until the next time, all the best, guys. Take care. Bye.